Let's learn pi by Aditya Ashok Kumar. What is pi? By definition, pi is the ratio of the circumference of a circle to its diameter. In other words, pi equals the circumference divided by the diameter. Pi is equal to c divided by d. Conversely, the circumference of a circle is equal to pi times the diameter. C is equal to pi d, where c is circumference and d is diameter of a circle. Value of pi. No matter how large or small a circle is, value of pi will always work out to be the same number. Pi is equal to 22 divided by 7 or approximately 3.14. But it's a little more complicated than that. When we divide 22 by 7, we get 3.142857142. But pi is more near to 3.141592555. Pi is an irrational number, which means that it is a real number that cannot be expressed by a simple fraction. The website piday.org has pi listed to the first million digit. Uses of pi. Pi is only used in circles because circles only have a diameter or circumference. Different formulas related to circle where pi is used are: circumference is equal to 2 multiplied by pi multiplied by radius. Circumference is equal to pi multiplied by diameter. Area is equal to pi multiplied by radius multiplied by radius. Story of pi. Many years before, in Greece, people were getting troubled carrying big things from one place to another. So they invented a wheelbarrow. But it again had a problem. Its wheel was not perfectly circular in shape, which can lead to shaking of the wheelbarrow and it can lead to loss of property. So they made a measurement that if the diameter of a circle is 7 units, then the circumference of the circle should be 22 units. Then only the circle will be perfect. Pi Day. Pi Day is celebrated on 14th March and it is also said that it is celebrated on 1:59 pm. It is celebrated on 14th March 1:59 pm because the first values of pi are 3.14159, 3.14 for 14th March and 159 for 1:59 pm and not am because most of the people are sleeping on this time. I hope that you have liked my presentation. Thank you.